my God, so many beautiful skincare products. Let me put my glasses so I can see the double benefits of it. All right, Collagen Booster, yes, go ahead. Who doesn't need a collagen? Let me see, Nia Cinnamide Glycolic Acid Toner. Yes, definitely. Oh, SPF 30 daily. We all need, girls, SPF. Less than 200 for full skincare routine. Let me grab it all. So in today's video, we will be talking about the newest launch at Sephora Middle East. Can I hear the drum rolls? I think I do. Inkey List finally arrived. Yes, one of my favorite skincare brands. So I want to introduce you how you can create, now listen to me, your skincare routine for less than 200 dirhams. Possible? Continue watching this video and we will discover it all together. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, share the love, and of course, leave in the comments down below what will be your hero product from Inkey List. All right, so you could see I have so many beautiful products. What I specifically like about Inkey List as a brand is, look at just the packaging, super sleek, black and white, and it has very easy to read the labels and very easy for you to actually understand how to use the product. Your skincare routine is written here, so you actually know when you have to use any of the products you are going for. What else I would like to say that Inkey List as a brand has very affordable prices, but not compromising the quality of the product, because it will offer for you high performance in skincare. High performance, yes, that's all that we need in this year to have our beautiful and flawless skin. If you are dry skin, if you are combination or super sensitive, Inkey List is thinking about you, offering you beautiful products for your skincare routine. Let me start with the first and basic steps that all of you should have as part of your routine. We need to cleanse our skin, we need to moisturize our skin, and in Middle East, what? SPF. Yes, girl, we need to protect it from the sun. Of course, you can see that there is a couple of treatments here in front of me, as I said in the beginning, targeting different concerns. So, two of my favorite cleansers that I will be showing you today are Oat Cleansing Balm and Salicylic Acid Cleanser. So let me first start with Oat Cleansing Balm. This product you can use AM and PM, and this product is great to, remove the makeup, cleanse your skin, remove any impurities. And let me share with you one extra tip. This is actually how I'm using it. Leave it on your skin for 10 minutes only, and it will have effect of a mask on your face. Suitable for sensitive skin? You heard me well, sensitive skin, many of us we have it, so I think you should go for this product. So, second cleanser that I will be talking about is Salicylic Acid Cleanser. It has 2% of salicylic acid, it's ideal for acne-prone skin, and this cleanser will really help you to fight against, listen now, imperfections, dead cells, blackheads, or it will control excess of sebum. So both cleansers can become part of your routine, AM and PM. After cleansers, I'm moving on my favorite part. And what is this? Moisturizer. Yes, at least I know that even if you're not following all the steps at your skincare routine, at least all of us should go for moisturizer. So my favorite one from Inkey List is Vitamin B, C and E Moisturizer. And what it stands for? Vitamin B will really help you to control excess of oil. We know that vitamin C in any product will do what? Type it in a chat box. Brightening the skin. And vitamin E will soothe and smooth the skin. All that you need. Again, you can use it in the morning, you can use it at night. This beautiful product will really make your skin flawless and super smooth. And as the last step, again, I'm talking about our basic skincare routine. We should go for SPF. Inkey List came with SPF 30, 100% mineral UV filters. Just put it before, and maybe here what I would like to show you actually the texture of product, because sometimes when we are using SPF products, they have this flashback and they're a bit more white. So this one is this gorgeous, as you can see, nude shade. This is how I like to call it. Once you start blending it in your skin, it really disappears, leaving your skin like with filter. Who doesn't want to have SPF like this? So let's move now on treatments. And you know that at Inkey List, they have treatments for all skin concerns. So I will be starting with maybe my favorite one, which is anti-aging. And again, starting with hyaluronic acid, this is a treatment that all of us should use as a first step after cleansing our skin. You just put a bit on top of your face, leave it until it absorbs very fast, and hyaluronic acid penetrates deeply in the skin, and then you will continue with your skincare routine. In case you're having combination to oily skin, I will advise you to go for Nia Cinnamide, in case I'm pronouncing it well. In case don't kill me. This product has 10% of Nia Cinnamide, and it will really help you to control the excess of oil and to fight against blemishes. Who doesn't need it? As I said, it has 10%. You can use it AM and PM as your treatment, as your serum, and after you will apply moisturizer. Now I will show you product that I'm using personally. It's beta hydroxy acid, and it has 2% of salicylic acid. We already know that salicylic acid will help you in case you're facing a lot of imperfections such as pores, blackheads. So really, this product will work deeply on your skin, and it will help you to have smooth, perfect face as a canvas for your makeup application. And the last treatment that I would like to show you, you know how it's important to treat your eye area. So the product that is absolutely my hero product is Brightening Eye Cream. Who doesn't need brightening? This product is great because it has Brightenyl 2% that will really brighten your under eye area, and at the same time it will blur any imperfections that you have. Blurring imperfections, meaning reduces the sign of the aging. Go ahead, thumbs up, you bought me already. I'm loving also the applicator. Just look how it looks like. It has this metal applicator that once you start applying it on your skin, it will provide for you cooling effect. Beautiful. To be honest, extra tip for you, you know that any eye cream you can always keep in your fridge for extra depuffiness in the morning, and then you wake up like a model. Last but never the least product that I would like to highlight from Inkey List is vitamin C treatment. We know that whenever we see vitamin C in a product, it will help us to fight against hyperpigmentation, dullness, and prevent aging. Vitamin C treatment has 30% of vitamin C. Yes, super high percentage. Just be careful when you are using it. So my suggestion will be to use it only in the morning, and of course, apply SPF on top just to make sure that your skin is protected and beautiful. As we are coming to the end of our video, I would like to suggest you now what will be your perfect skincare routine, or at Inkey List they like to call it skincare recipe. I love that one. So you can start with cleanser, definitely extremely important. Then we go for the moisturizer, my favorite one. You will include one of our beautiful treatments. This time I will go for hyaluronic acid to hydrate my skin. Tack, it's here. And of course we will end up having our SPF. Do you remember what I said in the beginning of the video? In a chat box, I'm sure that you can comment it, but it's less than 200 dirhams. Less than 200 dirhams? Seriously? Yes, with Inkey List, everything is possible. Super accessible products, but remember, never compromising the quality. That's what we definitely love and enjoy about Inkey List. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Put the hearts for Inkey List. Even though it looks everything black and white, your heart will be fully red when you try using Inkey List. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye!
Sephora, the unlimited power of beauty.